Hello ma'am, may I know your name and where do you stay in Hyderabad?
My name is Kopal Raj and I stay at Diamond Point itself in Hyderabad.
What is your child's age?
I have two boys, 6 years and 12 years.
What kind of classes or institutes were you looking for your child?
I was looking for some music institutes for them, one for the guitar and the other for piano. So I did a little bit of scouting around that.
Which other institutes did you consider?
I looked up a couple of institutes in the neighborhood near Central Point and Bovanpally, Side Ahead. There are some institutes that are there, but they seem to be very cramped.
So, which one did you choose finally and why?
We selected Virtuoso because we thought that the teachers out here had a lot of experience. They are not novices and they are not just young boys teaching. There are proper sirs who have experience of handling children as well. It's a very comfortable environment and I feel very secure when I send my kids here.
Based on your experience so far, tell us two best things about Virtuoso School of Music Excellence.
The fact that they do keep teaching new things to the children, because for children's interest to be maintained, it's very important that something new is taught to them along with the daily routine or weekly practice that they need to do. And the other part is they really train the children even on theory exams, and they're very particular about the fact that the children come and attend the classes, and they allow the children flexibility to make up also for those classes.
Anything that could be better?
If they can have in-house some competitions for the children, then I think that would be even more exciting for them as well.
On a scale of 1 to 5, how likely are you to recommend Virtuoso School of Music Excellence to other parents?
I've actually recommended to a couple of parents who have come here and their children have joined the classes, and I've probably rate them 4 out of 5.